Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to wire your subwoofers in parallel. Alright, I got a 3-inch Soundstream XXX, and I got a 4-inch Ascendant Audio Mayhem, and so we wire them in parallel. So, this is our negative. I don't know why it has a white cord, just because that's all I had laying around, but never mind that. This blue cord is the positive. What you're going to do is you're going to connect the positive to the positive on both subwoofers. Now you're going to connect the negative to the negatives. So now the subwoofers are tied together, just like that. And you're going to want to make a good connection with, not wire nuts, but what are those things called? They're, I don't know, something. But anyways, you're supposed to not use electrical tape, but it's just a quick demo video, so I won't get too far into it. Now you're going to take your regular wire, which just happens to be the small gauge wire because I'm only wiring little 6-inch subs here, not even 6-inch. But you're going to take it and you're going to split right there. And split the wire. And they always say it's bad to do it with your teeth, but actually, I wanted a little bit more off the ends because I don't have any connectors. Now, you're going to take the positive and connect it to the positive. Shit. Get out of there, little wire. Actually, you know, we'll just pull this off. And just wrap it around your connection, just like that. You're going to take your electrical tape, just to make sure it has a nice thick, or nice sturdy connection. You're going to wrap it around your connector, just like that. Make sure the end is exposed so you can still connect it. Pull off your negative, and you're going to, one sec, let me twist up this wire so it has good continuity. And you're going to do the same. Twist your wire around good and tight. You're going to take your electrical tape. We have that done. This is actually an amplified Logitech speaker box tape. Do the same. Okay. Now, once you have that done, you're going to take your negative, connect it to your negative. You're going to take your positive and connect it to the positive on the woofer. Now you're going to take the whole assembly. One sec, let me grab the camera. Now you're going to take the whole assembly and move it over to your amplifier.